Welcome. In this video I will show you how to make your iPhone say thank you while charging. To make this cool feature work, we're gonna need to use iPhone built-in automation feature, which is available in the Shortcuts application. It's available either in the app menu. Here is the icon for it, or you can also find it in the utilities category or folder. So let's open the shortcuts, then let's go to automation tab and let's create a new automation. Now let's navigate down to charger. So when my iPhone connects to power, and then let's change run after confirmation to run immediately, and disable notify when run, or enable it doesn't really matter. Now let's tap next. And now we're gonna have to create an action for the iPhone, which to perform when it's connected to charger. So let's pick text, but instead of text, let's input thank you. I want it to be more custom. And then tap OK. And so now the shortcut is active. And to activate it, of course, we just have to plug in the charging cable. So let me do this.
Dankeschön.
And as you can see, it works perfectly. So that's it. That's the cool trick for this video. I hope that you liked it, and if you did, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.